Alright, I've got the controller all broken down and cleaned up now. And this is the positive voltage. This is where the positive voltage came in from the batteries. This is where the negative voltage come in from the batteries. And you know, this is where the gas pedal hooked up and told the controller what to do. But how I controlled the speed of the motor is when the negative voltage come out here. And just as I suspected, as I followed the bar back to the very back of the bar, right there was my problem. Because right there is where that bar welded itself to the outer casing of the controller. And once it did that, that motor had, because it uses the negative terminal to control the speed of the motor, once it welded like that, I had 100% power that went to the motor. But then, as an after effect, I guess you could say, another thing it did is, see, once I had 100% power here when I really wasn't supposed to, I also had 100% power that come down through here, and it just flat out self-destructed, destroyed everything. I mean, it melted bus bars, it melted heat sinks, and this was only about maybe about 8 to 10 seconds of operation. But I mean, you got to consider there was 144 volts going across here at nearly about 865 amps. So it wouldn't, I guess it wouldn't take long to do the damage that it did. But as you can see, this controller is now toast. And what I'm going to do is see if I can find another one and get the lightning bug back going again. Now here's a look at the inside of the outer aluminum casing that was covered the circuit board on the controller, and you can clearly see the weld point, or the point where the bar welded itself to the outer casing, which created the short circuit. And here's another shot with the circuit board in place.